Things at a mechanic shop for
Yes.
100 points. Sketch.
Oh my goodness.
Things at a mechanic.
Car.
Wheels. Tires.
10
Alternators. Oil can. Oil handle. Gasoline. Gas can. Gas filter. Fire. Extinguisher.
Sorry, we ran out of time there. Team Amber, you could steal for 100 points.
Is it
Fuel?
a gas can?
I like fuel canister?
Fuel canister.
That doesn't seem right.
Gas can
Fuel,
sounds
a
good
gas
to me.
can. We're gonna go with
Nice.
gas canister.
So sorry. We were actually looking for rag. This is a rag.
We were close.
Rag.
Tough one. That is a tough
You know what?
You know what?
It's okay.
Let's just
Weekdays at 4 and 4:30 on WBNX.